up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing more stuff to the Lexus. I've been doing stuff off camera, like wrapping. Obviously that's the main thing that I've been doing right now. It's not done, but we're getting somewhere. I'm rebuilding my wheels. I cleaned them. I deep cleaned them yesterday. Hella clean. Show you real quick. Damn. But yeah, they're hella clean all around. I got new lifts for it, so my old ones were 3-inch and I got 4-inch. And then yesterday too, I was gonna do a square setup of 18 by 10, but I switched barrels and shit like that because I have a couple other ones. And then so I'm gonna do 9.5 in the front and 10.5 in the rear. And I feel like it's gonna look better. It's gonna be real close to my quarter panel and my fenders. It's gonna be like real tight fitment. And then yeah, got new side skirts. My fender is fixed. And then new headlight, new bumper. Should be getting wrapped on Friday, or whenever I post this video. It should be Friday. And yeah, just doing this so I could go to Stanford's. What I'm gonna be doing today is installing a spoiler because I'm wingless right now. It looks nice wingless, but I'm at a little bit of like a little flare. It's a TRD spoiler. But yeah, let me show you guys real quick the process real quick. It's not perfect, but for me and my homie's help, it's pretty damn good. It's pretty clean. But yeah, let's just get started with today's video. For today's video, we're gonna need, where the fuck is it? Sheesh. This. Yes, Sriracha hot sauce. If you guys remember Illiminate's old videos, they use this to install a wing or a spoiler. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. First things first, I'm gonna put the tape on the trunk, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now that it's taped up, we get the spoiler and we place it with sauce. I'm gonna try and find a better angle. Right here. And on the other side. Right here. That should be good. And now we put the sauce on the nut, the bolts. Just a tad bit. Oh fuck. Fuck it. Other side. There we go. Now we place the wing on the trunk carefully. Make sure you know where you want it. Hot sauce still on there. Right there. lift it, and then we have our marks where the drill bit's gonna go through, and we just drill the holes, and then we could put our wing on. Alright, so that was a little mission. It's bolted on already. Now I'm just clay barring it so I could wrap it. I'm gonna try and wrap it in one piece, but if it doesn't work, I'm gonna just do 1 and 2. It's not gonna be that noticeable, but I think it's possible with just one. This thing looks sick. Alright, so I forgot where I left off, but I think I was talking about the wing, and I actually didn't end up wrapping it myself. I had a friend do it for me. He got down as fuck. He wrapped my bumpers as well. Man, this shit came out so clean. And then the lip, somebody else wrapped it. That came out alright, as you can see right there. And then the rear one as well. Same person who wrapped the front lip wrapped the rear lip. The person who wrapped the front bumper and rear bumper is a different person with the wing. But yeah, this is how my car looks right now. Not gonna lie, this shit looks fucking sick. She looks bad. The other night I went out and I fucking just started dragging this shit, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. Like, I think I'm gonna just shave it, make a straight line, cause I'm trying to go to Slammed Enough, and I don't want that shit to look like that. If not, hopefully I find one local and buy it. But yeah. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. The next video I'm gonna just end up doing like a Slam Enough prep and then not drive it. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.